Good morning, ma'am.
No need to say good morning. अभी we were continuously doing this class. I'll show you the video from here only. All right. अभी let others also enter. Otherwise उनका रह जाएगा बीच में. Okay. I'll show you the video from there only and look at that video carefully. अभी जो zero formation of 4-digit number and formation of the largest 4-digit and smallest 4-digit. That is very important. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the largest? Ma'am, what is the largest six-digit number?
You tell me, Akshar, what will be the largest 6-digit number? आप बताओ मुझे क्या होना चाहिए? अभी आपने इतना तो वीडियो देख लिया. You have seen this much video. What is this largest? How can you form the largest numbers? This you have seen. Now you tell me what will be the largest 6-digit number. Tell me. आप digits बता दो उसमें कौन से use होंगे बस. हाँ?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9 in 6-digit. Ma'am, 9
digit हो गया.
6
What beta Akshar? Again, speak again Akshar.
Ma'am, 9 6 times.
Very good. 6 times 9. Okay, by the time others are entering to the meeting, let me ask you. Okay, Charitra will answer me. Charitra, what is the greatest 3-digit number?
Ma'am, 9.
Very good. Okay, Manya will answer me now. Manya, what will be the smallest 2-digit number?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Taranveer will answer me. What will be the smallest 4-digit number?
1.
Yes.
000.
Okay, beta. Vedanshu will tell me now what will be the greatest 4-digit number.
Ma'am, 1000.
Greatest, beta. I'm asking about the greatest.
Ma'am, I will say.
No. Vedanshu will tell me. Vedanshu, what will be the greatest 4-digit number? Think. अभी आपने वीडियो देखी थी वेदांशु?
Yes, ma'am.
What I told you in that video, how can you make the largest numbers? Which digit you should use when it is the largest
Ma'am,
number?
9999.
Very good, very good. Now Aradhya will tell me what is the greatest 5-digit number.
Ma'am, 9999.
Yes, good beta. Aradhya, you will tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
the greatest 5-digit number.
Ma'am, what?
Greatest 5-digit number.
Biggest 5-digit number.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 10. Ma'am, 9999.
Vedanshu, I heard it. Now stop. Keep your mic close, Vedanshu. Aradhya, you tell me what will the greatest 5-digit number. Don't speak that number. आप मुझे digits बता दो कि क्या आएगी उसमें. Don't not number name नहीं बताना है उसका. You can just tell me what is the digit we can.
Ma'am, it is 10000.
No, greatest में Aradhya, greatest में.
Greatest.
You have to tell the greatest one. Adya will tell me. Greatest 5-digit number.
999.
Riddhi Agarwal, please switch off your mic. Adya, tell me what will the greatest 5-digit number?
Ma'am, 9. 9. Ma'am, 5 times 9.
Very good, very good. Now Arjun will tell me smallest 5-digit number. Arjun will tell me smallest 5-digit number. I am going to remove those students whose cameras are off and this is my last warning. इसके बाद मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. I'll just keep you out of the meeting right now.
Ma'am, 1000.
जिसका भी कैमरा ऑफ है, I'm going to throw them out of the meeting. That's it. Yes, Arslan, you tell me.
Ma'am, is 5 is smallest digit number?
Yes, beta.
1000.
Very good,
Zero.
Arslan. Very good. Excellent. Now I am happy that Arslan is answering. Arslan is studying and he is giving correct answers. Shiza will tell me the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, Shiza.
100.
How many zeros will be there, Shiza, in 6-digit number?
Ma'am, 5 zeros.
Yes, beta. Very good. Now I'm going to show you the video, okay? Since all are here, so I'm going to show you the video now. And now I don't want anybody, क्योंकि मुझे गलत आंसर नहीं चाहिए किसी का भी. I don't want anybody giving wrong answer. It should be correct. Everyone. $99,999 and similarly so on. Now we have to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the different digits. No, yes, not the same digits. We have to use the different digits. The digits are supposed to 4, 5, 7. And we have to form the smallest 4-digit number and greatest 4-digit number using 2, 4, 5 and 7 only. When we have to form the smallest number, then we arrange the digits in ascending order. I am repeating my words, listen carefully. We will arrange the digits in ascending order to form the smallest number. So the answer will be 2, 4, 5, 7. And suppose we have to find out the greatest number, then what we are going to do? Then we are going to arrange the same digits. Now see beta, whenever we have to form the smallest number, we will arrange the digits in ascending order. And whenever we have to form the greatest number, give it different digits say, so we will write the in descending order. We will write the digits in descending order, but do not place commas in between. Okay? Now listen. In descending order, we were having the digits 2, 4, 5, 7. So 7, 5, 4, 2. That will be the greatest 4-digit number. There is one special case when 0 is there. Suppose we are having the digits 1, 0, 5, 8. And we have to form the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So when there is 0, then we arrange the digits in ascending order only. But there is one change. We don't have to place the 0 at the first place. 0 will be just after the first place. Just after the first place. We will interchange them. 58. 0158 is equivalent to what? 158. 158 is a 3-digit number. 15. Now beta listen everyone carefully here. क्या हुआ, हमने जब स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है और इसमें 0 भी आ गया है. 0 is also there. Suppose the digits are 1, 5, 8 and 0. A smallest number we have to form. So what we will write if we write them in ascending order, it will be 0, 1, 5, 8. It will be equal to 158. लेकिन हमें कितने digits का बनाना है? 4 digits का. 0 अगर पहले होता है, doesn't matter. 0 अगर पहले होता है, उसका meaningless होता है. तो 158 हो गया. 158 is a 3-digit number. 158 में कितने digits है? Tell me.
3 digits.
Yes, there are only 3 digits in 158. So 158 is a 3-digit number, but हमें बनाना था 4-digit number. So what we will do here, we will just replace 1 and 0. 58. 0 is meaningless here. So what we are going to do, we are going to interchange. We are going to exchange the 0 and 1. 0 and 1 we are going to interchange. So 1 will come first
and 0 will come at second position. Then what will be the number? 1058. Then the smallest number will be 1558. Now, if we have to arrange the same number in descending order, there is no change. There is no change. If you have to form the greatest 4-digit number, then you need not to change any place. Just arrange them in the same way in descending order, all the digits. 1580 was the number, so answer the greatest number will be 8510. 8510. Here, please don't interchange the digits of 0 and 1. In greatest, we don't have to do anything like this. Smallest, we have to exchange this 0 and the first place digit. Not only 1, it is not compulsory that 1 will be there always. It could be any digit, 2, 3, 4, it could be any digit, but 0 will not come at first place. 0 will be just after the first place.
Okay, everyone understood it now? समझ आया सबकी?
Yes,
चैरित्र
ma'am.
को नींद आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
चैरित्र, are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy, Charitra? Stand up, Charitra.
No, ma'am.
Stand up. Stand up. और किसको नींद आ रही है? Tell me. Raise your hands. किसको नींद आ रही है? Charitra will stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up quickly. Yes, good. Sit down. Sit down. जैसे ही मैं बोलता हूँ वैसे करना है चरित्र. रहमान, तुम्हें भी नींद आ रही है? चलो खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Sit. Stand up, everyone. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, quick. अर्जुन, स्टैंडिंग का मतलब समझ में नहीं आता? स्टैंड का मतलब सिट होना होता है. हाँ? क्विक, स्टैंड अप अरसलान, जल्दी से स्टैंड अप. कीप द फोन समवेयर. कीप द फोन समवेयर. डू नॉट टच द फोन. हाँ, वेरी गुड प्रवीर. जैसे प्रवीर कर रहा है वैसे करो सब. Yes, like this. Yes. Yes, like this. Like Praveer is doing. He's doing like this. See. Do like him. Everyone. Everyone. Whatever he is doing, do like this. Do like him. Yes, sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand. Sit. वेदांशु, समझ नहीं आ रहा तुम्हारी क्या? वेदांशु, जब मैं स्टैंड बोल रही हूँ सिट हो जा रहे हो, सिट बोल रही हूँ स्टैंड हो जा रहे हो. व्हाट इज दिस वेदांशु? चलो चलो सिट. स्टैंड अप. स्टैंड अप. स्टैंड अप. ओपन योर आर्म्स. ओपन योर आर्म्स. ओपन योर आर्म्स. अप. Yes. Down. 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 Sit.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, like this. Sit. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. 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 Okay, very good. अक्षय, जितनी जोर से कूदोगे ना, मम्मी का वो बेड जो है ना, वो नीचे मम्मी डांटेंगी, मारेंगी मम्मी. Sit down. चलो, now let's start. Okay, let us start this work. Now, I hope everyone understood कि क्या करना है ना? Everyone understood? हम बस जीरो का केस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. जीरो में स्मॉलेस्ट में क्या करते हैं? बस फर्स्ट प्लेस को एक्सचेंज कर देते हैं. Otherwise, all the numbers are same. Smallest banana होता है, we arrange them in ascending order, and largest banana होता है, so we arrange them in descending order. So everyone, now open your books. Open your books again. Same page. Same page. Page number is same again. All right. And this is class 4th, na?
Ma'am, 3rd.
Sorry. थर्ड डे? कौन कह रहा है अभी तक कौन थर्ड डे में है? हाँ,
मैम
कौन रह गया थर्ड डे में?
मैम आई एम ऑन द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन.
Okay, see beta, page number
Ma'am, please change it.
4, question
Ma'am,
number M
please change
and
it.
please what beta?
Ma'am,
Hmm,
please change
what
my
change?
ma'am.
क्यों
Ma'am,
अच्छे
there
लग
is
रहे हो
my
तुम?
photo on
सब
the.
तुम्हें देखेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या प्रवीण?
No,
बताओ।
मैम मुझे मैम आपको देख मैम वहाँ पे
तुम्हें
मैम
मुझे देखना
पढ़ाई
है? अच्छा
होती
तुम
है
मुझे
मैम.
देखना चाहते हो? ओके।
नो मैम मैम
तो
आप
क्या?
समझाएंगी ना.
सब सब तुम्हें देख लेंगे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बता दो। अच्छे लग रहे हो तुम? अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हो?
नो मैम मुझे समझना है.
You are looking nice, I'm telling you. चलो देख लो, मुझे को देख लो. Okay. See question
No,
number, page number
मैम
4.
लेकिन मैम समझना है मैम.
See
रीजन
question
वाले
number
हैं ना.
M and N. Question M and N. Question M. Question N. Start doing it in your maths book itself. Page 4, question number M and question number M. Start doing it quickly. Be quick. Quick.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम we have done already मैम.
done.
This you have done.
Ma'am,
Achha,
we
some
have
of you
done
have not
already.
done it. Beta, actually what happens, actually
Yes,
it was a,
ma'am.
beta listen to me. It was a
No
combined class.
मैम no
It
मैम.
was a combined class of both C. So I think बहुत सारों को समझ में नहीं आया था. I know that. And so most of you have not done this. So do it again and send it to me. If you have already done it, then send it to me again. Alright? It was a combined class, so some of the students were not able to understand. And they have not done it also. Please do it. Those who have not done it, now do it. And those who have done it, just send me the picture so that I know that you have written it correctly or not.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am questions.
कौन सा question? अच्छा questions. Oh sorry बेटा sorry.
Ma'am, please send.
अक्षत आज मुझे तुम्हारा एक भी आंसर उसमें नहीं मिला है. I'm sharing. I'm sharing the question. Wait a second. Okay, I'm sharing the question. Okay, let me check the answers one by one. Wait a minute. Arjun, your answer is correct. Very good. आद्या बेटा डिलीट क्यों कर देती हो क्वेश्चन सेंड करने के बाद? Why do you delete it? I'm sharing it, beta. It's sending. It's because of the network. Slow network. Because of the slow network. Praveer, it is correct. Very good, Praveer. Shiza. Okay, Shiza, correct. It's downloading actually. Okay, it's downloaded. Beta, ये कौन है? Ehman, beta, you have done this wrong. Question N का 2 and 4 part is wrong. Beta 0 जो है first place को change कर देगा. 5068 will be the answer and 1089 will be the answer. Yes, Charitra, correct beta. Very good, Charitra. Aradhya, listen beta. Aradhya wrong कर रही है. इधर देखो सुनो. Listen to me. See the second question. 6805 is there. See the fourth question. Sorry. You have to form the smallest number. जब छोटा बनाएंगे तो ascending में order में arrange करोगे descending में? Tell me. Aradhya, open your mic and then tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you have to form the smallest number, you will arrange it in ascending order or in descending order.
Yes,
Arrange it in ascending order and then replace 1 with 0. Okay, very good, Adya. Very nice. Manya is there. Taranveer is there. Okay, I'm checking it. One by one, it's downloading actually, so it is taking time. Okay, Manya, correct, beta. Very good, Manya. Taranveer, correct. It's downloading, beta. It's taking time to download. Just wait a minute. Let me check it here. Wait a second. अक्षर मुझे मेरे पास आज तुम्हारा एक भी आंसर नहीं है. That means you are not studying today. You are drinking just only the milk. That's
मैम
it.
क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन दे भेज दिया मैंने. Just check it on WhatsApp. I've sent every question. Okay, Shiza. No, sorry, Manya का just check कर दिया था मैंने. It's downloading. But it's taking time to download.
no send my answer in last session in last
All
pattern.
right. All right, beta. Beta, actually what happened? I'm not able to, since the network is slow here, so I'm not able to open my WhatsApp now, right now. So do one thing, wait a minute. Let's proceed to the next question. जैसे ही WhatsApp आ जाएगा, I'll check your answers. Okay? Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah, I got it. Now I got it. This is 4th A, right? Okay. Okay.
drink water? Ma'am,
I'm
can I
checking your
drink
answers.
water?
Wait a minute. Yes, you can drink water. बेटा ये आपने गलत किया. अलग अलग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करके फर्स्ट डिजिट से रिप्लेस करते हो उसको. वेदांशु करेक्ट, मुबशरा करेक्ट, अंश पटेल और रहमान. अंश पटेल ये हाफ क्यों है बेटा? Why did you fill all the answers?
Ma'am, because at the last there is
There is?
on.
What happened?
Ma'am, because last of the sentence there is written only once.
बेटा नहीं, वेदांशु वो अंश पटेल, यू आर रॉन्ग. आपने गलत समझा इसको. क्वेश्चन इज राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर यूजिंग द गिवन डिजिट्स ओनली वंस. हर डिजिट को जो इसमें गिवन डिजिट्स है उनको एक बार यूज करना है, नॉट मोर देन वंस. इट मींस दैट ओके, इट डज नॉट मीन कि आपको एक आंसर करना है. यूजिंग ईच डिजिट वंस, आपको हर डिजिट को वन टाइम यूज करना है. जैसे आप 2 रिपीट नहीं, अगर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इफ यू हैव रिटन 6 एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस, तो आप 6 दूसरे प्लेस पे यूज नहीं कर सकते, 6 यूज नहीं कर सकते. ओके अंश, करेक्टेड सारे लिखो. यू डू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, this is wrong. Who is this? I don't know the name. Whose number is this, man? युवराज सिंह. युवराज सिंह बेटा, आपका सेकंड एन का सेकंड पार्ट इज रॉन्ग. यू हैव रिटन 5680. इट शुड बी, पहले नंबर लिखोगे अगर, इट विल बी 0568. 0568 होना चाहिए. बट व्हाट यू हैव डन, you have to replace the first digit with the second digit. That will be 5068. 5068. Okay, Yuvraj?
Okay, ma'am.
Taranveer, I checked. Then Yuvraj, Arslan, correct beta, very good Arslan. Yuvraj is some mistake was there. Ansh Patel has not done half of the answers. All right. Riddhi Agarwal. Riddhi Agarwal, why are you sending the same answers again and again? 3 times you send me the same. Acha, you are just Riddhi, do not put the commas in between. I told you in the beginning only. Do not place the commas. 3210 अगर लिखा है तो comma नहीं लगेगा बीच में बेटा. 6789 if it is written, so 6789 this number is. No commas will be placed in between. Riddhi, okay, and everyone, you also keep in mind this mistake. बाकी भी नहीं करेंगे. Commas नहीं put करते जब हम number बना लेते तो. All right. चलो, let's proceed to the next question. Ansh Patel, please send me the next picture also, beta. जैसे आपने ये वाला पेज भेजा था. Send me next. अच्छा, abacus. We have done abacus.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you remember the abacus we have done last time in 3rd class?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are
Yes,
new admission, I
ma'am.
think Arjun is new admission, so Arjun don't know. We made one abacus last year. Do you have that abacus with you? Any one of you right now?
Ma'am, book exercise or ma'am, we have
Book,
made.
beta, book key. Exercise 1.2
Ma'am?
ka picture.
Yes, ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I have.
You have, just bring it. Bring that
Okay.
abacus.
Ma'am, book exercise.
Yes, beta, book exercise, exercise 1.2. Yes.
Ma'am, I sent.
ये वाला नहीं, Akshat, I told you to draw on your own. To make one of on handmade abacus. You remember?
Yes,
Akshat,
ma'am.
you have that?
Okay.
Just bring it.
Yes, ma'am.
Send it to me quickly. बेटा कल हमने नोटबुक में कुछ किया था? Yesterday have you done something in the notebook?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I'll show you.
No, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, yes, this one Akshat. Okay. Let's see Akshat because he is looking very nice today. And Akshat, let's everyone see Akshat. See everyone. Let us see Akshat. Where is he? He is looking very nice today. Yes, good, very good. Straight.
Ma'am, how much we have to ring?
How many rings? Just show them the abacus. Please show them the place values. दिखाओ इन्हें place values दिखाओ सबको.
Excuse me, ma'am, can I go to drink water?
Yes, you can go. Show them the place values. Straight रखो pencils. Yes, very good. Show them the place values. Ring you leave, ring you leave. But only one ring is enough. All right. Okay, Akshat. Show them. थोड़ा इधर करो कैमरे में. Shift this side. Opposite होता है कैमरे में. Yeah. Opposite side. और this side. Shift. हाँ. थोड़ा ऊपर करो. Up. Yes, very good. Shift this side little bit. This side. Yes, now it is correct. Perfect. Okay, now tell us what is this given here. Switch on your mic. Switch on your mic and tell us about this abacus.
Ma'am, 2002.
Oh, ऊपर रखो abacus. Tell us about the place values, beta.
Ma'am, this is 1000, this is 100, this is
शो
10,
करो
and
ऐसे
this
नहीं.
is 10.
वो आपने जो नीचे बनाया वो शो करके बताओ ऐसे. ये 1 से है, ये 10 से है, ये 100 से, like this. Show quick.
Ma'am,
This is
how?
ones, tens, hundreds, like this. You can show.
This is 1000, this is 100.
ऐसे नहीं बेटा, वो जो आपने नीचे HTO लिखा हुआ है ना, वो लाइन दिखाकर बताना है.
Okay. This one is 1000, this one is
नहीं दिख रहा है.
100,
थोड़ा सा
this one
कैमरा
is
नीचे
10.
करो. थोड़ा सा कैमरा नीचे करो.
And this is 1000, this is 100, this is tens, and this is 1.
Okay, do you start the place values from thousands? Place values कहाँ से start होती है? Which number does it start from? Place values. Which place value it starts from? छोड़ दो, अच्छा पेंसिल छोड़ दो. Leave pencils. ऊपर दिखाओ,
Ma'am,
इसे
if
ऊपर करो.
we have 4 numbers, so first will be 1000 and we have 3
First will be
numbers.
thousands? No. No, the place you are holding, this is ones.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is not thousands. What place value is it?
This is 1000.
Ones. देखो ones किधर है? See, it starts from ones. Where is ones?
Ma'am, here.
Here, very good. Where is tens?
Ma'am, here.
Very good. Where is hundreds?
Ma'am,
Where is
here.
thousands?
Ma'am,
Here.
here.
And these place values are fixed. These place values are fixed. You cannot change them. You cannot change 1000 to hundreds or hundreds to thousand or ones to tens or tens to ones. All right? Understood? Wait a minute.
Yes.
ठीक है? So see, everyone now look here. Now stop looking at Akshaj and look at me. Last time we made this abacus, right? This time also we are going to make this abacus, but it should be now of 6. So it should be of 7 digits. It will be of 7 digits. Okay?
Ma'am,
How many
10
of you?
lakh crore and 10 crore.
नहीं, करोड़ तक नहीं जाना बेटा, बस 10 लाख तक जाना है. Crores is not in your syllabus. You will study about crores in 5th class. But right now you have to make it till 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. For example, now look here. What is this? Is your abacus. This is ones. This is ones. This one is tens. Wait a second. Yeah, this one is tens. This one is hundreds. This one is thousands. And this one is 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, this is thousands and this is 10,000. What is T stands for? 10. 10,000. अब 10,000 से पहले भी होता है. That is lakhs. I will tell you about lakhs afterwards. And next section will be that is of 10 lakhs. That also I will tell you about it afterwards. So that means you have abhi next exercise we will do. So you have to make an abacus till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have the old abacus, and those who don't have a old abacus, they can make a new one using the waste materials at home. एक cardboard होता है. Like I think किस-किस के पास नहीं है abacus? Last time they made it. Taranveer, how did you got the abacus, beta? You are the new admission.
Ma'am,
You made it last year. Huh? Taranveer, आपके पास किसका है बेटा abacus? Because you are, I think you are the new admission.
Ma'am,
हाँ? Speak, Taranveer. Taranveer, आप, हाँ?
I will make yesterday.
You made it yesterday. अच्छा, I told you yesterday. All right. ठीक है. Okay, very nice, Taranveer. How many place values have you made? Tell me, show me how many place values you made. Show me. Yes, very good. Thousands, 10,000s.
Lakh.
No, this one is not lakh. Speak again. One से start करो. Ones. Start from ones.
Tens.
Ones.
Thousand. Ones.
हाँ.
Hundred.
Good morning, sir. Yes,
Thousand.
sir. हाँ. Good.
Thousand.
Yes. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds. thousands. Next period will be at how much time? 8:50. Yes, Taranveer speaks again. Speak again. Speak again.
Ones, tens,
Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh,
lakh.
and next will be of 10 lakh. You just place one pencil over there. और बेटा आपने ये क्या किया है? बेटा वंस के नीचे आपने ना पेंसिल थोड़ी सी इधर उधर शिफ्ट कर दी है. वंस के नीचे वंस का नंबर आना चाहिए, टेंस के नीचे टेंस का, हंड्रेड्स के नीचे हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड वाला तक ठीक है. 10,000 वाली पेंसिल 10,000 के पास होनी चाहिए. ओके. लैक वाली पेंसिल लैक वाले के ऊपर होनी चाहिए. जहां पर लैक लिखा है ना, सपोज लैक इज रिटन हियर, तो लैक के ऊपर ही लैक वाली पेंसिल आनी चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वेरी गुड. All right, some of you have sent me, so those who have it already, so you will place 3 more pencils into it. और उसका place value chart change कर देना. How many of you have it already at your home, previous वाला? And those who do not have it, they have to make one. All right, those who do not have it, they have to make one. और जिनके पास already, जिनके पास नहीं है, those who do not have it, excuse me, they have to make a new one. जिनके पास है, they will place 3 more pencils into it, and you have to change the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh and 10 lakh. All right? समझ गए? Got it? Okay, Adya, are you feeling sleepy?
No, ma'am.
I think so. All right. Okay, next question. Next one. Okay, take out page. Next page. Page number. Let me tell you the page number. Take out page number. Page number 6. Page number 6. Start doing question number A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This abacus is shown to you. How many beads are there? The number of beads are there. That means that digit is at that place. For example, in first question, there is 0 beads in the ones place. So 0 aa gaya ones pe. 3 in tens place. Hundreds pe 2. And thousands pe 8. And then 10,000 pe 2 beads are there. So number will be 28,230. All right. Just do it quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly. Do 1 to 6. 1 से लेकर 6 तक करना है बस. Do it quickly. In your book itself. Maths book में. अच्छा, those who do not have a picture of it, I am sharing the picture on the WhatsApp group.
What is the page number?
Done it, ma'am.
Page number 6, beta.
Ma'am, we have done it tomorrow only.
Page number 6. Those who do not have a book, I am sharing the picture with them. Yesterday you have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have not done it, they may do it. जिन्होंने नहीं किया था वो कर लीजिए. और जिन्होंने कर लिया था, very good. Arjun Singh, I've seen your abacus, beta. This is very nice.
Ma'am, I can send.
What beta you can send? Work.
Ma'am, I
No
will
need to send the
make
work,
my
beta.
abacus, today
All right.
only.
I know that you have done this correctly. I'm sharing this on WhatsApp. I have shared the answer also. So please check the answers from there. Okay. Since the period is going to be over, so I'm going to leave this meeting. All right. So bye everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.
Bye, ma'am. Thanks for teaching.
Ma'am,
Yes,
today
yes.
I will make my abacus.
Radhya, you are saying something?
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, today I will make my abacus.
Okay, okay. Very good. Bye everyone.